Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make omelette curry. First, whisk 3 to 4 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper until light and fluffy. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour the egg mixture into the hot pan and cook until it is just set, about 2 to 3 minutes. Gently fold the omelette in half and slide it onto a plate. Now, let's create the flavorful curry base. In the same pan, add another tablespoon of oil and sauté 1 finely chopped onion until it turns golden brown and softens. Then, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala, cooking for 30 seconds to release their aromas. Next, pour in 1 cup of tomato puree and cook it down until the oil begins to separate from the mixture, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Add 1/2 cup of water and bring the curry to a gentle boil. Season the curry with salt to taste and a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Let it simmer for 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, cut your cooked omelette into 1-inch pieces and gently add them to the simmering curry. Stir carefully to coat the omelette pieces without breaking them. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro. Serve this delicious omelette curry hot with steamed rice, naan bread, or roti for a satisfying meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.